Turn winter drives into a breeze with our 2020 Honda Civic LX Manual, now at Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals, Canada's Huggable Car Dealer. With its sleek 6-speed manual transmission, this Civic puts ultimate control right in your hands, making every trip, from slippery streets to open highways, a thrill to conquer. Start your mornings snug in heated seats and feel protected wherever you roam, thanks to the Honda Sensing Safety Package. Collision mitigation, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control work together to keep every ride worry-free. Stay seamlessly connected on the go with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, turning every drive into an extension of your lifestyle. Perfect for Fredericton's fast-paced life, our Honda Civic handles school runs, Costco hauls, and cottage escapes like a champ. Whether you're navigating uptown parking or cruising to the Nashwaak, its stellar fuel economy keeps adventure stress-free and affordable. Plus, it's backed by our signature Huggable Guarantee, including a full tank of gas, comprehensive inspection, and more. Swing by 402 St. Mary's Street today to take this winter-ready Civic for a spin. Start driving happier with us.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer and that's the way we feel. We'll give you a hug